welcome to the next video. And today we've got something really fun. I'm helping a friend of mine, Skyler. He's shooting some promo videos for a gun shop, a local gun shop, and this guy's having a team of Green Berets come in, expert sharpshooters. They're gonna run drills in the woods. It's gonna be so awesome to watch these guys and what they do. It's just gonna be amazing. So we're gonna get some videos, some photos, and I'm just helping Skyler do that today, and I'm gonna capture it for us. So we're all packed up here in the van. Got all the gear today, the drone, all the cameras, the whole 9 yards. But the first thing we gotta do is stop and get some coffee. So let's coffee it up. Okay, we're on the scene. These guys are getting ready. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be in these woods behind us getting some shots. We're gonna be doing some live fire on the range. These guys are gonna be all kitted out like they're training or going on a mission. It's gonna be pretty sweet.
That's a time to highlight. I wouldn't use that to necessarily
carry this thing. He's up 30. Keep it, dude.
I was gonna put another one there. That's
That is the focal point.
So post up here.
Just right here. And whatever. We don't have to hear it.
Don't have at least once.
Just for 5 seconds. And like the other thing is, I can, like, we'll probably. Alright, cut.
3 times in a row, I'd say, yeah.
Hey Skyler, what are you doing?
Filming dirt. I was like, let me get some of just a bunch of shells, just like all grouped up, just in a little bunch on the ground, and catch some light off them is just a little whatever.
I just shot some brass. It's all over out here.
You just what?
I just shot a bunch of brass like on the ground.
Oh.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, there's there's a lot. We fired 1,200 rounds today.
Is that what it was? Yeah.
Yeah.
I was guessing over 1,000, so.
Yeah. It's expensive.
so. Okay.
Like the first one, it'd be like, give a good cadence, right? So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reload, and then I'll be like. All right.
So just get back there, and he'll be like, ah. You can have both hammers.
Yeah.
And you
Where's
get,
the other
like,
hand?
you
Where's
hold
the other hammer
either both hammers, and you guys just going like that, and you gotta do.
Just like clearly much faster than we should act.
All right. Cool.
This is what we call how to make it look like you're a good shooter.
Here at Obsidian Rifle Works, we'd like to show you how to shoot some steel at 50 yards today.
Oh, guys, I mean, this has been awesome. We watched them do some drills in the woods. We shot probably a couple thousand rounds down range. We've got some drone footage. Skyler's got some really sweet footage. The shoot's been really awesome. So yeah, hope you're enjoying it. See what else we can get. no big deal. Just walking around with a Soviet era AK. Whatever. Yeah. In the woods, shooting stuff. Just a regular day for me.
Do you normally do it with that camera on you?
No, not always, but it does show that I was shooting film today as well. Because why not pay for film when I have a camera that takes awesome photos for free every time I take a picture? I decided to pay for it. It is more fun though.